In this video, we will cover how to integrate the Urkund plagiarism prevention tool with your Canvas instance. Let's begin. Begin by selecting the admin icon. And navigate down to the Settings link. At the top, there are several tabs. Scroll over to the Apps tab and select. And now select View App Configurations. Now we will select the Add App because you can see we do not have an Urkund app here. Under the configuration type, select the drop-down menu and scroll to the bottom and select by LTI2 registration URL. Now a new window has appeared and requesting the registration URL. You can find this registration URL in your Urkund Canvas Administration Manual. We will insert that here and select Launch Registration Tool. And now it's going to ask if we would like to enable the Urkund app, and we will select Yes, Enable. And the app was successfully added. We see the Urkund app is listed, and that is all that is needed for the Urkund integration with Canvas.